Welcome to How to Solution. In this channel, I'm going to show you how you can simply hide or archive private Instagram reels. So for that, what you need to do is simply get into your Play Store if you are an Samsung user, or if you're an Apple user, get into your App Store respectively and update your Instagram, because if it's not updated, you won't get the near features in the previous versions of the Instagram application. Now you would eventually open up the Instagram application, and while doing so you need to get into your reels, Instagram reels. For example, this is my reel. So what you can do is tap on here and you see that there is no option to archive it. So you'll simply get into your profile, tap on the freelance icon at the top right corner and get into settings, and you see get into account, and you see there isn't any of the option to archive it. And once we go into archive, you see there are only options for live posts and stories. So what you need to do is basically go on it, tap on it and delete it without saying anything about delete that it is deleted. What you need to do is basically get into it, get into your settings, get into your account and get down and search for review activity, or you need to get down and check into your account that whether you have deleted the things or not. And you can go into the recently deleted and always make sure or to restore it before 17 days, because you cannot restore an deleted thing after 17 days. So this is how you can possibly hide or archive private Instagram reels. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, peace.